In this video, we're going to discuss how to create and build bundles, multi-packs, or kits using our bulk export import. What you'll want to do is you'll actually want to start here on the settings page and go to bulk export import, and then just choose your quick export active products, download that. You'll see something like this. Download it here. To make this easier, what I've done is I've clicked on D2 and I've frozen the panes so that I can scroll down or side to side. It just makes it a little bit easier to demonstrate, and I just find that a little bit easier. I'm going to search for an ASIN, and I've highlighted the row to make it easier. So here is an ASIN. This is a product that we're actually going to bundle. In this case, I'm going to actually truncate the title just to make it easier, and I'll just call this like a multi-pack. Something like that, okay? We can rename anything here on the bulk spreadsheet, by the way, and it does not affect your Amazon account. This is only for your own ease of use in SoStock. When I scroll over, you're going to see I've got a couple of things highlighted. I'm going to scroll over to, right now it is column AJ. This might change in the future as we add more, but basically scroll over to the column that says bundles, kits made with these products to the right. So it's very simple. It looks complicated, it's not. You're basically telling the system what is the other ASIN and how many quantities you want as part of that bundle. So as I mentioned in the previous video, which if you haven't watched already, highly recommend you go read and watch this article, How Product Bundles, Kits, and Multi-Packs Work. There's a video that actually walks you through how to build it manually. Essentially all we're doing here is we're saying this ASIN is composed of what? What makes up this bundle? In this case, it's just this ASIN, and it's 3 units of this ASIN make up this ASIN, right? So this is a product we're already selling on Amazon. Let's say it's a bottle of shampoo. And I want 3 of those in this multi-pack to make up one of these. And that's all I have to do. It's that simple. And then I can just save this and upload it back here. Now you can build out much more complicated bundles. Let's say that this product was not selling on Amazon. I don't have an ASIN. I can use either the UPC or some key identifier. Now, the way SoStock works is you have to use some kind of a key identifier number. If I don't have an ASIN or a SKU, I could plug in a UPC. If you don't have a UPC, let's say this is a packaging. Packaging is not sold by itself, it's not a sellable product. Well, you can just add something in the UPC column. In this case, I've highlighted it in blue. Right now it's column J, but like I said, that might change. So let's just pretend it's this product down here, and I'll highlight this one as well. And it doesn't have a UPC, but I can use a fake number for my UPC. Go back up here, and I'm plugging that unique identifier in for that product. So this is my packaging number, we'll just call it a number, that I got from the UPC column, and I want 1 of these. And then let's say I also want 3 of these. And just for fun, I'll take 2 of those. And all of these different ASINs and packaging make up my bundle. So here is a little bit more complicated bundle. The final way you can do this is actually if you scroll down, probably easiest using the slider bar here, to the bottom of your product page. I'm on the products page here. It says add new products below this line. To make this simple, we've got a product name that I've put in here, shampoo and conditioner bundle. Now it doesn't have a product ID in SoStock yet, and don't put anything in there because that will be automatically created once the product is created inside of SoStock when we upload this file. So maybe I'll just put in an ASIN for once I've created that product on Amazon. Here's my Amazon ASIN for this new bundle that I'm making. I don't have to worry about a SKU, and I don't have to worry about any of this other stuff unless I want to plug it in. For now, I'm just going to keep this very simple. I will scroll over here to AJ, like we were before, and I will do the same thing that I explained before. I'll put in my UPC number, or unique identifier, in this case, insert 1 unit. I'll put in my second ASIN, or unique identifier, how many units for that bundle, etc. until I built out my bundle. And it's really that simple. Now, of course, I want to save this. I will upload this products, vendors, warehouse inventory bulk upload that I just worked on, choose it from my computer, and upload. You can verify that your upload is complete here. It should say completed. And you can double verify by going to your inventory page. In this case, I've created a bundles dashboard to make it simple. And here is my bundle. If I click into it, I can see that we've got the name. And if I wanted to, I could have put other information inside the spreadsheet. But in this case, what I wanted to show you is this part right here. This bundle, this is the first one I showed you, where it's just 3 units of this existing product make up this one bundle. Again, if you haven't already watched the video on how to make a bundle manually, go ahead and find that. The easiest way to do it is just search the word bundle at help.sostock.com, because sometimes the links do change. And you can see the article right here.